Hello and welcome to Learn Whiteboard Animation with VideoScribe from scratch. Hi, I am Rikhil Nagpal. I'm a consulting, educator and a design evangelist. I love whiteboard animation because they are pretty engaging in nature. Though we speak languages, but our mind speaks only one language, that is visuals. It only understands the same. So when a visually distinctive image or animation comes to its attention, it gets engaged. That's why whiteboard animations or explainer videos work very well in marketing, lead generation or sales. Whiteboard animations, due to their distinctive and unique nature, create a long-lasting impression, which results in better awareness, finally resulting into more conversions. Why VideoScribe? VideoScribe is one of the most popular and widely used whiteboard animation software, which helps in creating engaging whiteboard, green board or colorful animations. Its distinctive drawing effect with hand makes it more unique against PowerPoint presentation or video. In this course, we're going to learn how to create these engaging animations, how to add images to them, text, music, voiceover to these animations, or how to change backgrounds. After that, we'll be learning its advanced usage on how to morph objects or erase them, or how to add your own image as vector art into whiteboard animations. I designed this course for candidates who want to give wings to their creativity and imagination, thus improving their engagement and sales. So come and enroll if you want to explore the sky. See you on the other side.